Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So we're asked how many times louder is sound measured at 87 decibels than sound measured at 78 decibels? So I like to use this formula, I1 over I2, which is the how many times as. So if you hear that phrase, how many times, might be how many times as acidic, how many times as loud, how many times as intense. That's basically that ratio. And then they're base 10 scales, and say the magnitude of one minus the magnitude of another on the logarithmic base 10 scale. With sound, though, it's the Bell scale that is on logarithmic base 10 scales. So we have to change decibels, which is basically 1/10 of a bell, into bells by dividing by 10. So if we divide by 10, we would have 8.7 bells. And same thing with the other one, 78 decibels would be 7.8 bells. All right, so that is what's going to go in the exponent. And I would always put the bigger one first if you know this number, this how many times, is something bigger than 1. If your how many times as intense as a fraction, like 1/3, then you want to put your smaller number first in the exponent on this power of base 10. So looking at all our answers, they're all bigger than 1, so I'm going to put the bigger number first, 8.7 minus 7.8. And then we just put that in the calculator and we should get, let's see, and we get 7.943 yada yada yada. And that means rounded to the nearest tenth from what we see above, 7.9 times louder, basically, would be that answer. Alrighty, so the answer should be B. Hope that helped.